What's up, guys? We're gonna start with a little mobility today. We're gonna start with the Samson stretch. So what that is, we'll lunge out. We're gonna add an overhead reach. So right side, reach up nice and tall. We're stretching that back hip out. We're gonna stay 1 minute here. We'll flip sides, go that left side. We can plant that back knee on the ground, but really focus on reaching up, stretch that torso out. Okay, so 1 minute here. After that 1 minute there, we'll bring that right leg forward for a right side pigeon. So try to keep this leg at 90 degrees as best we can and sit that leg in the back straight. Okay, so 1 minute there. After that, we'll flip to that other side. We'll go 1 minute on that left side. Same thing here. 1 minute there, we can go down to the elbows like LB is doing, or come up nice and tall. After that, we're gonna finish 8 kneeling shoulder taps per side. So arms are nice and wide. Get that ear and shoulder down towards the ground. Hold it for a second or two, go opposite side. And we'll go 8 per side there, so 16 total, okay? And that's it for our mobility today.
Okay, today we're gonna do an every 3 minute for 30-minute workout. So every 3 minutes for 10 rounds. You're gonna have to keep an eye on the clock. I do strongly recommend we get the old $28 Timex Ironman here. It's the easiest way to keep track of these times. But it's gonna go 1 minute and 15 seconds, so 75 seconds of work, and you're gonna complete a 20-second hollow, 20 switch lunges, and then with the remainder of that minute 15, you're gonna do as many gorillas as we can. We would then rest a minute 45. That would take us to the 3 minute mark, and we start this again, 75 seconds of work. So here's what it's gonna look like. At 3, 2, 1, Spencer's in his hollow for 20 seconds. We all know how to scale it, so he's gonna stay in that RX version. He's got 20 seconds. At the end of that 20 seconds, he's up, he hits his switch lunges. 1, 2, 3, and relax, there's 4. He just finishes his 20th switch lunge. There's 20 seconds left. He then decides how many of these gorillas he completes. Good, and relax. Minute 15 is up. He now rests for the entire minute and 45-second window. So every 3 minutes, we're gonna work for the first minute 15, rest for the 145. That equals 3 minutes, and every 3 minutes, we're gonna do that. And our score is the total number of gorillas we complete. So I think picking a number is probably gonna be the way to go with this. If it was me, when we tested this, I did 10 gorillas. Maybe I could have gotten 15, but there's no way, I don't think I could have maintained 15. So 10 for me, probably my number. I would do my 10 and I would stop. Okay, I would, if I finish a little bit before that 1 minute, 15 second work period, I'm fine with that. I wanna make sure, because what's gonna happen, those hip flexors, you're gonna get halfway through this, they're gonna blow up, and then I'm not gonna be able to do as many gorillas. So just because I've got the energy in the first 3 minutes, don't forget, I've got 27 more minutes of that workout to go, all right? All right, guys, have fun with that one. For today's finisher, it's gonna be 30, 20, 10 of 3 movements. You're gonna need some type of object for this. A cone would be ideal, but if you don't have a cone, you could use a Cheerwine bottle if you're Nate Agnew. You could use a wine bottle. You could use a beer bottle. Anything about 8 to 10 inches tall. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna line that up about midway down between his knee and his ankle. The first movement, he's gonna do 30 leg lifts over, all right? Good, relax. Once he does 30 of those, then he's got 30 in and outs. The setup for the in and out, he's gotta be right behind this cone, so now his feet can come back and around. Good, he can relax. He's got 30 of those, and he's got a 30-second hollow hold. Again, ideally, we can hold this hollow like he is. If I have to, I can bring my fingers to my ankles. I can bring one knee in. I can bring both knees in. Scale that however we need. We got 30 seconds of that hollow hold. Then we go back to 20 leg lifts over, 20 in and outs, 20-second hollow, 10, 10, and it ends with a 10-second hollow. again, last thing I want to talk about, let's show this from the side. Remember, if I put this at the very base of his foot, right where his heel is, it makes the in and outs really easy. What I want to do is put this midway up his shin, and now it forces him to tuck those knees in and come around that object. All right, guys, this is a tough one. Enjoy.